there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this beautiful retro chairs I got. If you're looking for an easy and practical way to upgrade your dining table, let me show you this retro side chairs by NicBex. These are waterproof. They are super stylish. I chose these white ones. I love everything about it. The stitching, this metal frame that is well made, and it's anti-slip as well. These chairs are also waterproof, so if you have children and they spill something on top of it, you don't have to worry of damaging them. You just try it and you're gonna see that they're gonna be perfectly clean. I love how NicBex packaged their items. They made sure I received these chairs without any scratches or nothing broken. My husband loved how simple it was to assemble this. It literally took him like 20 minutes. You're going to see how my dining table looked before with the chairs. I really liked it, but now I love it. I would highly recommend these chairs. These are super popular for any interior design, for any interior style. You can use it for your living room, your dining room, bedroom, or office. They are super classic and elegant, as you can see. So if you're looking to upgrade any section of your home, check these chairs out, and that is my point of view.